Hello everyone, today we're talking about ZM405 truck in, truck out with product and the customer. First, we reboot indicator. Indicator will show company name every and truck application name and version. We call this program is TPC application. Before way in, way out, we have set up some databases, like truck databases, customer database, and product database. Press setup key, key in the password. Default password is 1. Press enter. Before and truck database, we need add product database first. You see this one. The first setup will show truck database. Press Util key to choose product database. Press enter key, show add or edit. Press enter key again. Press truck product ID 1. Enter. We'll ask you to enter product database. Right now we just call product 1. Enter. And it's saved. Then press F1 to go up. Use Util key to choose customer database. Press enter. Show add or edit. Press enter again. Choose ID and use 1, press enter. Then you can put name on. We can call customer 1. Enter. Save it. Press F1, go up. It will show truck database. Then we end truck database. Press enter. Show add or edit truck. Press enter again. You can choose 1 for ID, truck name. You can punch what you want. I use truck 1. Press enter. In this option, truck type, you have 3 options. 1 call in and out, mean all the truck, this truck need way in and way out. Or you can press Util key to choose permit. This means the tail weight will pop up when truck way out. So you have to enter it every time. Or you could choose store tail. In this case, we choose truck ID 1. We choose I in and out. Press enter. And we'll ask you default product ID. If this scale only use product 1, you just use 1. But if you want operator or truck to choose, you choose 0. Same idea about customer ID. Right now we choose 0. Okay, then saved. Other, we choose truck 2 ID, show you store tail truck. Then we use truck ID 2, name truck 2. We choose store tail. Enter. And truck tail weight. We use 5,000. Enter. Default ID, if this use 1 all the time, so we use 1. And then truck custom ID, we could use 1. So now all the databases have been entered. Okay. Then we in Make sure scale is 0 before truck on the scale. Drive on the scale. Press F1 button and truck ID. Okay. So we show way in and saved. Drive off the scale. Make sure scale is 0 before truck on the scale. Drive on the scale. Press F1, press ID, press enter. We show truck out. Then in this truck ID, because we chose default ID is 0. This means you will have to enter during way out. You can choose 1, enter, and other for customer ID. Press 1, enter again. The tickets will print out. Done. If you want to reprint tickets, press sample key, reprint the tickets. Drive off the scale. Next, I will show you way out the truck which has store tail. Make sure scale is 0. Press 0 key. If not 0, drive on the scale. Press F1 key. We have ID, truck ID 2 is for store tail. Press enter. We show truck out and print tickets. In this case, we don't need to enter product ID and truck ID and customer ID, because these two ID have been chose during the setup. The default is 1 for customer and product ID, both 1. So don't have to do during the way out. Okay, drive off scale. It's done. In the setup mode, there's few settings you may take a look. Truck, 3 truck database, customer database, product database. When you choose that, all has this kind of function. First is edit. Truck has tail, you can add tail truck after. Print all the truck, delete 1 truck, delete all trucks, export trucks to USB drive, or import trucks from USB drive. Same as product, add edit, print all the product, delete 1, delete all, export to USB, import to USB. Same as customer. This database we call tickets database, or you can call transaction database or others. In this database, there's 4 options. One called in loop. In loop database mean 1 truck way in, but truck has not way out yet. That will be in loop database. Finished database mean transaction has been finished. We call transaction database. It's finished tickets database. Manual tickets. You could use this function to enter gross weight, tail weight manually, not by way in and way out. Config is tickets configuration. We talk about in loop database. You could print this out or finish these tickets manually, or delete one, or delete all, or export to USB. Same as finish tickets database. Press enter, or print, void this transaction, delete one transaction, delete all transaction, export transaction to USB. We talk about configuration, the tickets configuration. Press enter. We ask you tickets number. This will be next tickets number. Each ticket has different number. You couldn't choose which one will be there for the next. In out tickets configuration. There will now you choose, you see, press enter. We'll ask you weigh-in tickets, yes or no, want to print weigh-in tickets or not print weigh-in tickets. Or weigh out head, you want a head on the tickets or not. Header, you could change the header you want. That's 5 lines. You can use for company name, address, phone number, such thing. Or footer, you can put some other information on the bottom of tickets. Unit key, usually you want print 2 units in the tickets, yes or no, because some customer want kg and pound on the tickets, or kg and ton on the tickets. If this, you can choose yes and choose which unit you want, kg or pound. That's it. Okay, after done this, you could press F1 key to go back to weigh-in mode. This is all for today. If you have questions, please call us Avery Weitronic, Richmond office, 604-273-9401. Thank you.